Hello guys, so right now we're in Kilimanjaro restaurant in the CBD and we're going to try out some dishes that they are offering, and we're also going to give you guys a review of the restaurant after we're done. And I'm joined by my friend Liborio. Yeah.
Showcase of Liberia.
Yeah, you can follow her on YouTube on Showcase of Liberia. Kilimanjaro Jamia Hotel was opened in 2016 and it has 2 branches in Nairobi CBD, one along Kimathi Street and another opposite Jamia Mosque. It is a halal restaurant, meaning it serves food in accordance with Islamic law. Therefore, they don't serve any alcoholic drinks or pork dishes. However, the restaurant accommodates both Muslims and people from all walks of life. The restaurant is popularly known for its platter for 3, which is a delicious twist on the Kenyan and Arab delicacies like biryani, pilau, chicken and beef. Their food prices range from 150 shillings to 3,500 Kenyan shillings depending on the delicacy. Kilimanjaro restaurant is a family-friendly restaurant. It has outdoor seating, it serves vegan dishes, and it opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m. How much is it? 1950 for 2 people.
91 is 90.
1,950 for 2 people, and it has, you've said it has
chicken, chips, pilau, kachumbari.
so that's a good one.
Yeah, then breakfast.
Something to drink, milkshake, soda.
Don't have a menu here.
Guys, here in Kilimanjaro restaurant you have a code that you scan with your phone and you're going to see the menu after you do that. Yeah, and we also ordered tropical juice, the both of us. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the food. I ordered chicken biryani. Which food did you order? Fish and rice. Yeah.
What is this?
This is chicken biryani. Chicken biryani. And yours is fish and fish fillet and rice. How did your food taste like?
Delicious.
Delicious.
I love the stew. I don't know what kind of stew is this, but I love it, guys. Look at this. It's like pepper somewhere. No, you put all my rice because I love it so much.
Okay.
Just drinking water.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A new day, a new adventure as usual, but today it's not a new day. It's a new day, but it's in the evening and we are at Village Market and we're doing some fun bowling sessions. And yeah, so stick around to find out the prices of all the activities and everything else that you would like to know. The Village Market is a huge shopping and entertainment mall located in Gigiri along Limuru Road in Nairobi. It has over 250 shops and is popularly known for its entertainment joints like the Village Bowl, the Ozone Trampoline Park, Under the Sea themed park, virtual reality and glow-in-the-dark mini golf. From Monday to Wednesday, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., bowling prices are 500 shillings per person and 800 shillings per person from 6 p.m. till late. On Thursdays, all activities are discounted to 500 shillings per person per game. Before you begin bowling, you're given bowling shoes and the socks. The socks are 250 shillings per pair, but if you have your own socks, you don't need to buy them. So Deborah wasn't really interested in competitive bowling, so we did it freestyle. We didn't follow the rules. She did 5 consecutive rounds and I did the same. So this was her first time bowling, and after missing a couple of times, she finally managed to hit the bowling pins. This was my second time bowling. The first time I did it a couple of years ago, so I wasn't really new to this whole activity. Bingo. So after bowling, we ordered some food. She ordered coconut rice and fish fillets, while I ordered French fries, sausage, and a cold glass of passion juice.
the way